Okay, today we're going to be making some Thai style pork belly, crispy pork belly. This is about a 30-minute recipe. First thing you want to do is get about a pound of pork belly, and you want to cut it into no bigger than 1-inch squares, like that right here. So we'll just get all this cut up. Okay, we have our 1 pound of pork belly sliced up. Now we're going to transfer this to a bowl. All right, just get all this in the bowl. Then we're going to add our seasonings. You're going to want about 1.5 tablespoons of fish sauce. Then 1 teaspoon of black or white pepper. I'm using black today. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. Now we're just going to mix that all together. Just keep mixing it until liquid doesn't pool in the bottom of the bowl anymore and everything gets coated real nicely. After you do that, you want to make sure this warms up to room temperature. You don't want it cold. That will, help it fry better. And there's a trick to the frying, which is what makes it real tender. And we'll go over that here in a minute. But there's definitely a process to the frying. Okay, nothing's pooled in the bottom. It's all coated. Now we're going to let this sit for about 30 minutes and let it marinate just slightly and also warm up to room temperature. Now just get a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Just mix that all together. Okay, then just get a strainer, pour your mixture into there. Get it coated good. All right. Today I'm going to be using my Fry Daddy. You can also just use a pot and heat up some oil to 350. That'll work just fine. Now you want to make sure that your oil reaches 350. That's the ideal temperature. Looks like we're going to get there. 350. All right, just add each piece one at a time so they don't stick together. Just drop them in at different areas. And the trick here is you want to fry these exactly 2 minutes. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. We'll get this first batch out. Just keep doing this until you get all of them done. Just let them drain on a paper towel until you get them all done. Okay, my second batch is done. We're going to drain those out on a paper towel as well. Okay, I did a full pound in my little Fry Daddy in 2 batches. Okay, now that we have them all fried up, we're going to let these sit and cool for about 10 minutes till they're cool to the touch. And then we're going to fry them again. Alright, these have been cooling for about 10 minutes. And they're just a little bit warm. And we're going to fry them again. But this time we're only going to fry them for 1 minute. Okay, these have been frying for another minute. Now look how crispy and golden brown they are. We'll just get all these out of here. And this will take 2 batches also for 1 pound. Okay, it's been another minute. I'm taking the second batch out. You want to drain these out on a paper towel as well. And there you have your 30-minute crispy Thai style pork belly.
Enjoy.